Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teaira Walker. If you are new, hello, how you doing? Subscribe. Why not subscribe while we're at it? And if you are a returning supporter, thank you so much for tuning in yet again to another video. I love you so much. I just want to say I love y'all so much because I'm in here acting hella bougie. My makeup is probably sweating off. My AC is not working. And I'm over here buying $3,000 worth of FENTY and my AC not working. No, something is going on with my building right now, and y'all, this AC, I'm struggling in here, y'all. It is so hot, but I'm excited. Today we're doing a FENTY haul. I got 3 boxes in the back. I didn't open them because I'm waiting to film and I want to get a first impressions. So let's just get into it, cause, so before I get into, it's hot, let's hurry up. This is right here. Okay, so I got some, I can't take this. I gotta go change. I was trying to be bougie for the video. I can't do it no more. I need something more lightweight. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Where Brooklyn at? If y'all don't know, I'm originally from Brooklyn, Farragut, Fort Greene area. So if y'all from the BK, let me know in the comments down below. Represent. Hey, I feel so much better about life. It is hot. It's like 78 degrees in here. But let's get into this. I'm excited. Okay, first box. Oh, let me tell you about what happened with my order. Okay, so I ordered like $3,000 worth of FENTY. It was really like $2,800, but I had a problem with it because I tried to pay. I ended up making 2 orders, so they were like $2,800 each, and I tried to do it through PayPal, so like almost $6,000 came out of my account. Because when I was trying to purchase it, it was looking like I didn't buy it, so I had to do it again, and I actually already did. And so $6,000 came out of my account, and then come to find out the order didn't go through, but it still came on my account because their PayPal system was down. So I had to order it again, and that's why my stuff came a little late, and I was a little salty. So I ended up having to pay with another card. This is so cute. Okay, so first things first, this quality is insane. Like, it's so thick, and I did not expect that, but I mean, obviously you pay for it. You pay for good quality, but this is so thick and heavy and so cute. So I'm very simple sometimes when it comes to my outfits. So I bought this button down white t-shirt that I can just throw on with some heels. And yeah, I think it's so cute because I always wear stuff like this, but this is good quality. Like, this is the best quality of all of my big white t-shirts. And this is cute. Like, the detailing is just so cute. I'll be back. This is the first outfit, y'all. I love this because I will honestly wear this every day. So this is the oversized denim shirt. I got it in a size, so I got this in a size 42, and this was, how much was it? And I'll put the price on the screen. This is how it looks. It's so cute. Like, I really love it, and the quality. I just love oversized clothes. It's like longer in the back, shorter in the front. It has like a little slit on the side. It's really, really cute. And you can just wear this by itself. You can get it dirty, but I always wear white clothes. And the most that I do is get like makeup right here. But this is so cute, y'all. The quality and the details are insane. There's details on the back. See that? It's so cute. I love this. I ain't gonna lie. Probably gonna wear it tomorrow. Who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me? I used to not be big on designer clothes, but now sometimes you get addicted to the quality. And quality makes a big difference to me. Like, when I go in stores and I just get something and the quality isn't as great, I usually only wear it once, you know. But if the quality is good, I will wear it every single day. I don't care. I paid for it. I'm gonna wear it, period. So I also got this FENTY hat, the white cap. Girl, why did I do that? Because all of my white hats get so dirty. I can't actually try it on because I have a ponytail right now, but it's cute. It's simple. Like, it's a simple white cap, just regular. It has FENTY on the side. You can't really see it because it's white, but oh, this is cute. Oh my goodness, I'm really sweating. This detailing right here is so cute. Oh, how cute is that? I didn't even see that on the site. That is such a cute touch. I mean, everything makes a difference when it comes to like quality and luxury. It's everything. They literally put so much time into all of their different pieces. So this would be so cute if, you know, I could wear it right. Hey, like how much it costs, I'll put it on the screen. But it's cute, it's simple, it's not necessary, but I just have to support Rihanna because I love you, girl. I love you, girl. I'm gonna be posting hella pictures in my Fenty, so if y'all don't already, follow me on the gram at Teaira Walker. Will be in the description box as well. You know what I'm saying? Next outfit, I got this really cute. What size is it? This is in the size small. This is a corset jersey dress. So it's not, oh, this quality is really, it's like a t-shirt. But, okay, so I don't know if y'all can really get the quality. I mean, y'all can't get the quality, but the details on the back, it has like this Fenty logo type of sign. This is actually so cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's so simple though. Y'all know how I am though with my clothes. I'm so simple. And I wear white clothes because I feel like white looks good on my skin tone. Honestly, white looks good on any skin tone. But look at the detailing. Come on, come on. Look at that. I love how it just goes in on the hips. It's called the Corset t-shirt dress. I got it in a small cocoa white, and I'll put the price on the screen for you guys. Honestly, if you think you have to not get makeup on this shirt or this dress, you better think again, because it was just so hard. The neck, it's kind of small, so it kind of hugs right here, but it's so cute. I think it's so cute, y'all. I love it. It's not too short because honestly, I always have that problem with buying t-shirt dresses. They're always too short. I don't like that. I don't like to be looking like a little hoochie hoe out here. That's this whole collection. It's simple but quality. I'm giving you simple but quality. My next piece is not white. I know y'all tired of seeing white, but I love white. I feel like it's such a classic, classy color. So this is the shoebox. This is kind of cute, you know? You know, it comes with a dust bag that says Fenty. Girl, this is fire. Okay, breathe. This is bomb. Oh, y'all, look at this. The bottom detailing. This is bomb. Y'all, this is cute. Y'all see this? I mean, look at that. That is luxury, okay? I got this in a size 38, so let's see if it fits. It looks like it is gonna fit. I don't wanna show y'all my feet because it's crusty, but I love y'all. Is that I love the pointy toe. I love heels like that. I mean, this is cute. I just want to say I'm so proud of Rihanna. Like, I mean, she really has built an empire. I love to see women of color do their thing, and I love to see women, everybody in general, but like I feel like it's so hard for women and women of color. It's harder for us to really get put on, or really for us to grow and succeed, because there's so many things against us and people look, it's just, obviously y'all know it's just harder. And I'm so proud of her. She built an empire. She's like, she really did her thing. Like, whatever she does it. She doesn't half-ass anything. Like her makeup, all of her Fenty collabs, like her Fenty collabs, her Fenty product, her Fenty designer now. Like she's really just doing it, and I'm just so proud of her. We are not done yet. We got one more piece, and let's do it. Y'all are gonna be so annoyed because it's white, but that is actually, if y'all don't know, a fun fact about me, that is my favorite color, right? It's white and black and like nude. I love nudes. How am I gonna take this off without getting makeup all over it? I just want to say I had to take out my earrings, my ponytail to get that whole last outfit out, and I still got makeup on it. I really didn't have to take my ponytail, but y'all know what I'm saying. Like, I still got a little bit of makeup on like the collar of my last outfit, but we got it off. So this gotta be my favorite piece because she is popping. This is the, oh yeah, okay, so this is the denim corset dress, and I got it in a size 36. I'm gonna pat myself on the back, and I'm pretty good at choosing my sizes, even if I've never ordered from the site before. So I've always been like really good at eyeing my size and what works, if it's oversized or whatever. But this is so cute. I'm gonna show y'all. This is a corset dress. Let me put this camera down a little bit. It's a white denim, and the quality is amazing. The detailing is everything, y'all. It is so bomb. And then it's a little skirt, and it's also not too short on me. Like, y'all know sometimes everything is just too short. And I just want to say, everything fits me perfectly. Rihanna, if you need a model for your next collection, hit me up, sis. I got you. Hit me up. I'm serious. No cap. But this is so cute. It has slit on the side, 2 pockets. It's really cute. Everything is oversized. I love that the arms are super long, because I'm just a tall girl, and I love for the arms to look oversized and big, and like, I think it's a vibe. Oversized is definitely a vibe. It's so cute. Y'all, I am really happy with everything that I got. Yeah, I cannot wait to wear my outfits, y'all. They are so cute. The shoes, the cap. The cap was very simple. Like, you can literally do without the cap. You can get a white cap from anywhere, but I mean, I'm gonna support Bree, and honestly anything that she do. She's a dope person. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about the collection in the comments down below. Which was your favorite piece? Let me know what y'all think, y'all opinions. I want to know. This collection is and I'm not just trying to be biased, I'm dead ass. Like, I really do love everything that I got. There was thought put into this. The quality is insane, and I'm really satisfied with everything that I got, and I'm happy, and I can't wait to wear the items because I loved everything, and everything looks good on me. I got the right sizes. I don't have to return anything. I hate returning things anyway. But do not exit this video, y'all, without subscribing to my channel and following me on Instagram to see how I rock these outfits, because I'm gonna slay them. I'm gonna slay them. That's one thing I love. I love fashion, and I will tell you, I'm a simple slayer. Like, everything will look good, but it's gonna be simple. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, just go watch another video after this. Why not? I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.